guys, it's Steven from Frachelli. It's 2 o'clock somewhere, and with everything going on, we'll probably all use a cocktail. Today we're going to show you how to make delicious homemade margaritas. For the first step, we're going to use some fresh lime, but we also want to save one slice. We're going to use this for garnish later, so we're going to put that on the side. Just so you can follow along too, we're going to make 2 margaritas that are going to fill up 2 rocks glasses, one for me and one for camerawoman Courtney. This way you could either double or half or triple the recipe for how many you're making at home. We're going to show New York City some love and use our New York City shot glass here, and then we're going to pour in the lime juice. Now we want a full shot worth of lime juice. This is a bit of an amateur bar shaker, but it's really easy to use at home because it has a built-in strainer. I'll link in the description below if you guys want to pick one of these up. We're going to pour everything in here. So first up is our lime juice. Next up, we're going to do 2 shots worth of silver tequila. Next, we want to add 1 shot worth of orange liqueur. We have some triple sec here, so that's what we're going to use. Last but not least, we're going to add some simple syrup. I only like to use a little bit, so I'm just going to pour like a quarter's worth of it in there. And our mix is done. Next, we got a big old bowl of ice. We're going to throw some in there. Oops, a little splashy, that's all right. Then we're going to close this guy up. Give it a little shake. You want to give it a nice shake, but you don't want to overshake it either because we don't want the ice to melt and water down the margarita too much. Plus, we're going to be adding some ice into the glasses. Okay, we're about ready to roll here. I'm going to slice this lime in half, and then we're going to add some salt to the rim, optional. I just like a little bit, so I'm going to put it on one side. And now at a restaurant or bar, you see them dip the whole thing in a big thing of salt. We're trying to conserve salt right now, so we're just gonna put a little bit in a dish here and dip it in like so. A little bit of a hack, but it'll get the job done. Now we got one side with a nice thing of chunky salt on there. Of course, you could add more all around, but we just added a lot to the front. That's how we like it. Now we're gonna fill up the glass with ice. Camerawoman Courtney's laughing because one of the ice cubes just slid across our entire kitchen. Give this another shake for good measure. Now we mentioned this thing had a built-in strainer, so you just showed them that, Courtney. There we go. And now if I did my job right, we'll be able to fill up 2 of these with the margarita. Boom. And now we're gonna take our lime. Where'd that knife go? Just put a little slice in the lime up the middle. Dress her up nice like so. Oh, look at that. How good does that look, Cameron? These margaritas are looking refreshing and delicious. Me and camerawoman Courtney are really excited to enjoy them. But before we do, if you hit the thumbs up like button on YouTube, that would help us out a lot. Also, if you subscribe to the channel, that would truly make my day. Thank you guys so much in advance for subscribing. I'm gonna go ahead and take a sip and turn around and get some of that salt. Wipe some of the salt off my face while I talk. And you only need 1 sip of these to really taste the difference with the fresh lime. It makes all the difference in the world. Make sure you use the fresh limes. I know shopping's a bit of a pain right now, but it really does make for a fantastic margarita. Thank you guys so much for watching. Drink responsibly, stay well. See you guys soon. Take care.